Hello, in this video I'm going to go over how JSServices supports FCM and IB's full-service brokers by providing them with a fact-based strategy creation tool that empowers them with knowledge to build confidence and attract new business. Most brokers don't have the time, resources, or knowledge base to create good risk-defined strategies. Many brokers turn to selling managed funds. The issue with fund strategy, however, is that the broker may not understand exactly how the fund tries to make money, but they have to sell the fund to their clients. And when there's drawdowns, this can cause doubt, and it's reflected in the clients as well, because they're not effectively able to explain why we lost money this month or made money the other month. And the relationship between the client and the broker gets a little damaged with that. And that's the glue that retains business and helps to build books of business. Is trust, and that gets diminished. A broker needs a tool that they understand and supports them so that they can build a sustainable book. JSServices Desktop does just that by providing an actionable trading resource that supports brokers each day. What do full-service brokers and self-directed brokers need? The remainder of this video I'm going to go over some practical applications using JSServices Desktop to show how brokers can use it for certain events, client requests, and also supporting a macro view. In the case of an event, either from a website, TV, or a Twitter alert, a broker is immediately able to identify the opportunity technically. Let's say a market event occurred that was calling for a positive situation in the stock market. Broker could come to the market grid, click on the S&P to see what the market state is, and immediately they see that it's at a neutral negative extreme. The broker understands that market state, and if they don't, there's a supporting commentary that goes over what type of technical condition the S&Ps are currently in. Does that support a positive move in the trading session? Is there a trade opportunity? The broker understands the structure of that state and also has supporting strategy themes to take advantage of different opportunities. If the news event is positive, they can see that they've got a couple positive choices. Buy our breakout above a defined price point, as well as a buy DP reversal off another defined price point. Broker can quickly pull up a chart, look at price action, and see that there is a strategy in play. There is a buy DP reversal strategy, and get their clients into that opportunity. Another example is a client request. Client calls up, says they want to sell copper. Broker pulls up the desktop, clicks on copper, and sees that copper is in a bull trend correction market state. So it's in the negative action the client is probably seeing is part of a bull trend correction. So that's a tell that there might be an issue with that break. It could be too short term. Broker looks at the structure, identifies the strategies. Well, if the client really wants to sell, broker knows where they want to sell. They want to sell at a specific price, or if we get a certain failure. Broker pulls up a chart and sees that the market is breaking into support but hasn't broken below it. It can advise the client not to get so excited and back off. If they really want to sell it, they can sell it higher, but also alerting the client that the current market state condition is more corrective and this negative sell-off that we're seeing may not be that long-lived. And the market may need to break more structure before we can really get excited to the downside. And that would happen if we get a failure from a specific price point. The analytics are a virtual playbook, which are outlined in tutorials that go over the optimal and hedge strategies, clearly identify different types of strategies, either fading momentum, trading a breakout, or a reversal, identifying the specific metrics that are associated with each of the price points that are defined, and how a trade can be constructed using those metrics with the specific strategy themes. Another example is a macro view. A commercial may have certain hedge needs. Family office, self-directed investors may be reading different newsletters or getting opinions from other forecasters that they want to follow a macro view. Having an example of oil prices are going to be higher in the coming year, that's great, but how do you take advantage of it? And do you want to take advantage of it on a daily basis? Over the next few weeks, over the next few months? You need structure to do that. So with the desktop, with a macro view in place of higher oil, the broker can constantly be looking at the strategy playbook for buy opportunities. where are the qualified buy opportunities to participate in this macro theme. The desktop produces a daily analytical sheet that contains all the metrics to construct qualified risk-defined strategies. The broker quickly views price action within the market structure, identifies the strategy theme that they want to participate in, uses the metrics to see where the market needs to price qualify before that strategy will be valid, and then constructs a strategy to put the client into. In this example, best opportunity is going to be either to fade momentum off the support area and place a limit order using these metrics to identify potential stop placement, or waiting for the market to trade above a defined price point and metric before entering a breakout order. The client can effectively short-term trade a macro strategy with the JSServices desktop playbook strategies. For longer-term outlooks, custom long-term monthly price map levels can be constructed. Certain self-directed brokers with the right aptitude will use the desktop playbook strategies as the basis for their own program to create a program and build performance for accounts that they manage. The strategies that they run can be either discretionary, automated, or auto assist. Brokers interested in developing their own program can go through JSServices Trader Development and learn all aspects of the desktop and the playbook and the nuances of specific strategy themes and setups. These playbook strategy themes have been automated using TT's ADL templates. Automated trading templates have been created in ADL that mimic the playbook strategies, which can then be run in the ADL template, which can be dynamically linked with the JS sheet and monitored using JSServices' other integrated partner tools. All the automation is completely transparent. Once the broker understands the methodology and the resources, they can create customized automated and auto assist tools for themselves, as well as assist their clients in creating ones that fit their specific risk parameters, durations, and styles of trading. For more information, please visit JSServices.trade or contact us at info@JSServices.com and let us know that you're interested in our FCM IB full service broker support. We look forward to working with you.